sorry, Engineer Kennedy Owino, all of the engineers. There has been concerns from Kenyans talking about that, for instance, one says that we were connected to power, but then the Kenya Power officials came and said that actually the infrastructure you've used, the cables that you've used are substandard and therefore they need to be taken off. And they said that this was done by subcontractors. I don't know, what is happening in that area and how does a customer determine that these are genuine material that are being installed, knowing too well that not everyone is an expert to really know what is right and what is wrong?
No, thank you so much, Sam. I want to draw from what Rosemary has just explained, the process of applying to get connected to power supply. That process is designed so that everything that shall be used in connecting the customer is up to the required standard and specification. The product that we are dealing in, electricity, is a very good product, but can also be very dangerous. And that is why we are very keen on ensuring that standards are followed during the construction process, following an application, which has been done as being outlined. And so there are situations where people can go out there purporting to be representing KPLC. And customers at times have found themselves in such situations where they have been, I would say, conned by people purporting to be KPLC staff. And in such situation, you'd find that those connections were not done through the procedure outlined for applying for electricity. Mm-hmm. And so when we establish that a connection was done and it is a substandard connection, the fact that it's a substandard connection means that it is not safe for the public. Where you have used substandard poles, substandard cables and conductors to connect to electricity,
right,
those are potential hazards insofar as safety of the public is concerned. And that is why there are situations where KPLC has to come for the sake of the safety of the public to recover such substandard connections, which have been done illegally, not following the procedure that has just been outlined on how to apply and get connected to power supply. And that is why we are emphasizing that any power application should follow the due process of application, so that the customers are able to get power supply that is safe and is adequate to ensure that they meet their demand requirements insofar as power is concerned.
Engineer Maura, kwa zile